Friends, today I'm going to talk about the corruption. Rightly said by the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi that if I give 1 rupee to the people, only 15 paisa reaches to the people. Corruption is one of the important topic, and this is a big problem that India is facing. We know that unemployment in our country is increasing, rich are becoming richer and poor are becoming poor, and poverty likewise are the many problem. Somehow they are having these things are impacted by the corruption in our country. Our rank in corruption index is 93 out of 100 and over 115 country. That is not good. Talking about the present status of the corruption in our country, we can take the recent example of Delhi liquor scams, and in 2020 there was a Kerala gold smuggling. These were the recent major incident where the huge amount of corruption has took place. In our country, as per data, 1% of the people hold around 40% of the wealth, and bottom 50% people hold around 3 to 6% of wealth. This is a lot of inequality when it comes to the wealth holding in our country, and that is a very concerning things. Now talking about the what are the causes of the corruption, the one of the cause of corruption is lack of transparency. Transparency is very important. Because of not a proper transparency, there are the many channels where the corruption took place, and on ground things get changed. Now talking about what are the negative impact of the corruption in our country. The first of all, it is going to impact the growth of our country negatively. Poverty will increase, unemployment will be there. If a certain amount of money or resources allocated by government to the people and that is not reaching to the actual real beneficiary, it is definitely not good thing, and it will impact those people. At the end of the day, country whole development will be impacted. Apart from that, as we know that we are moving more toward the digitalizations. So government is starting the direct benefit scheme, under which direct transfer of money from the government to the people will be there. That is a very good initiative, and that will in great extent going to be reduce the corruption in our country. There are some other initiative by the government like PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, where any kind of money laundering is being reported. So it is one of the strictest law, and after that we are in the Enforcement Directorate is there, Center Bureau of Investigation is there, which investigate the corruption related matters. In conclusion, I want to say that in order to bring the transparency, we can use the artificial intelligence, and use of technology is very important and very much needed in this time to reduce the corruption. Then we can ensure that the actual beneficiaries get benefited and country's development is happening. Thank you.